Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your account email is verified and you have the phone nearby. Once logged into Roblox on a browser, open Account Settings and select Security. You're doing this now to access the phone field immediately. Enter your country code and number exactly as shown. Make sure the number isn't already linked to another Roblox account. If it is, you'll need to remove it there first. This first step unlocks the verification SMS process that follows. Once you've entered the number, request the verification SMS. Roblox sends a short numeric code. When the message arrives, type the code into the verification box on the website immediately, because codes often expire in minutes. If the code fails, don't repeatedly request many messages. Wait 1 minute between attempts to avoid carrier delays. After confirm, the site will show that your phone is linked. Make sure to test receiving a second SMS if you plan to use the number for account recovery. Finish by enabling any additional security, like two-step verification, which uses your phone for sign-ins. Once linked, you can use the number for recovery and security alerts. To change the number later, remove the existing phone from security and then add the new one, repeating verification. If something goes wrong, most often the SMS not arriving, check for carrier SMS blocks, disable any phone spam filters, or try another number. Contacting your mobile carrier often resolves delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.